RIME stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Algorhythm Holdings stock is already sitting at 2.5 cents, that is, and it's on the Nasdaq. So I don't know when exactly are we going to get the listed, or when it's going to be like a reverse split. But this is getting worrying. Beforehand, for the longest time since September or so, I just had this bearish character in this, and even caught a very good, beautiful short sell here, which was like a +4R in terms of me making a return on this. I made 4 times the investment, but yeah, here's a proof. Why doesn't this want to start? Okay, screw that. But yeah, you can check out the video link proof. I don't know what's going on, but the moment it starts breaking above 3.9 cents or so, then that could be potentially bullish. But since it's here, the most likely thing that's about to happen next, for me, in my eyes at least, is taking this thing lower. So it's obviously not financial advice, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.